creating videos from image. This is a difficult task. There is only one website available in internet which is called Runwayml, and there is no any other competitor in internet because this is a difficult task. But there is a new website comes to internet which converts your image to video like this without any watermark issue, and there is no credit issue. So without wasting any further time, let's see the website. So first of all, open your Chrome browser and search for leonardo.ai. You're thinking Leonardo is just for image creation. No, there is a new feature come in this website which is image to video, which is really insane because there is no other website which doing this except Runwayml, and there is only 59 credits in Runwayml to use video per account. So open your website. For converting your image into video, just go to image creation, then enter your prompt which type of image or video you need. Firstly, create your image from here, like create a talking person in the tree. Then select the resolution you need and simply click on generate. After some seconds, it creates 4 variants by using some credits. Like see this, there is only 8 credit it's used. After some seconds, it creates your image like this. I like this one the most. Then simply click on this section, generate motion video, and when you click on it, select the motion strength. Recent image you can select from recent images also, and simply click on generate, and after some seconds it converts your image into video, which is really insane. And this is totally free, which is also insane. And there you go, our video is ready. Now simply click on it, and there you go, our video is ready. And this is text to video. Now simply click on this download section and download your video in MP4 format. Now see this is really insane. So this is the video. Like and follow if you need these type of more videos, and I will meet you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.